Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and we're going to talk about power clipping. This is part 2 of this. If we take the attribute docker, if you haven't watched the first one, and take a sample and put it in there, see it's not in this, it doesn't fill up the power clip. So what you need to do, and this is in 2019, Corel Draw, go to Options, Corel Draw, and go to PowerClip, and right here, Auto Center New Contents, always. Now we got that check. Let's delete this one and start another one. We'll just make a rectangle. And we're going to take our attribute docker. And if you haven't watched the first one, you have to have PowerClip check attribute. And now we put it in there and it's in the center. No matter what, and you can see it's in the center because there's only 4 dots. Now if you make a subject too big and you do it, it's going to put it in the center, but it's not going to fill up the whole power clip. Now that's in 2019. It's under Tools, Options, Corel Draw. In 2018 or below, it's almost the same. You've got to go to Tools, Option, and come on computer, and go down to Power Clip right here, which is under Workspace. So you have to open Workspace, Power Clip, and there's that same button. Always center new context. So that's a little bit different, but it's kind of the same. So I don't care what size shape you make. Let's make a polygon. Well, a triangle, that's good enough. I got a 3-sided polygon. And I'm going to use the attribute docker, and I'm going to put that power clip into there. It auto centers it. Now you can still go to edit and move that around. You know, move your power clip. Or I've actually don't have this thing grouped together. So let's back up here and let's take the original one and edit it, and let's group this together. Control G. Now when you go to finish on that one, and when you go to this one, I'll tell you what, let's just start over. Get a triangle. Three-sided polygon, basically. Let's go to the attribute docker. And then you can edit your power clip and move the objects around to get exactly where you want it. And you kind of see there's a yellow box. And then when you're through, just hit finish. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.